I'm long. Now, the most important thing getting into a trade is just that I get a cushion, I'm onside. So that happened pretty quickly and I have not been offside. Does it mean it's going to work from here? No idea, but I want trades that I get onside in. So me getting long down here is fading, right? So it's not, hey, let's look for the big move that goes forever. So I take the bulk off and I can then finance a maybe. Maybe it goes and turns into something. There's so many reasons for going long there. So let's count them off. 1, orders get pulled in the book. 2, second deviation. 3, bunch of sellers sold at the lows. So there's offside shorts. 4, no acceptance down here. 5, transition area overall session like intraday. 6, this is a tricky one, right? So we know we get a reaction at the pre-pros. So there's 6. Do you reckon there's more? Here's the 7th, whole in value. And the thing is, I don't have to take minutes to come up with that. I just see them all because I'm watching everything at once. And that's the whole point of screen time and practice, is to get yourself where you just see all of those things very quickly. Taken off 2/3 for a scalp potentially allows me to then a bit of a probe for a move up. But after all of these 1, 2, 3 multiple failures and all this acceptance here, it's not looking too good, is it? So my mouse is ready to can it. And the 52 longs, they're offside and they're not getting any joy. See them all here? So while the market's saying, listen, 52s, we're not letting you on side, I have to respect that there's potential for those longs to get hurt. Even it's just to take them out and then we can get a move to the upside. But then that leads to the next opportunity. Maybe I get a scalp on the short side. Do I want to go long here? No. All those points of evidence gave me also a first look. It's a first in to get on it. Now it's old news. So I don't want to be doing something with potentially the crowd. So there's a whole bunch of failures just here. And you can see all this long inventory. Here it is, see it all? So that's going to either be the catalyst for potentially more longs coming in, etc., or they're just going to be fodder for a move to the downside. So you saw liquidity get pulled and forcing, that's your risk. So I got offside 1.5 basis points. Look at all this long inventory not moving the market up. That was my rationale for seeing the potential opportunity, but I didn't have a huge amount to go with, so I just kept it scalp orientated. I'm not going to get serious about putting a size when I don't have evidence multiples. I think my favorite trade today is this here. This was just a beauty for trapping traders. Weekly VWAP, but the reason why it spiked because it was low acceptance, and that spike is what just sucked in longs. So really that's the area where the market didn't want to travel to. It's just that offside shorts got forced out at really crappy prices, but that move up is what sucked in longs that led to that. That's being a bit further along the path than the competition, and that pays more than a short trade from here to there, doesn't it? And you got more to work with.